had this brilliant idea. I'm gonna beat every single boss. Not every boss. Not every single either. I'm gonna see how many of these alpha pals, whatever, I can beat in 1 hour. The Laxosaurus Rex is gonna bring up the first spot. Alright, you know, big hitter, big body. Fuck it, he's a slacker, alright? We run with it. We got Blaze Howl, alright? Big dog, another huge hitter. Even bigger hitter, actually. We gotta level up a couple guys here. Got Jormantide. I'm breeding this guy right here. Gonna level up this Grizzbolt for now, and then we have Anubis. Stolen. If you know, you definitely don't know. But we're gonna start the timer right now to defeat as many as we can. So we're gonna start off with Pen King. I honestly just need levels, and this is an idea I had, so we're running with it. Sprinter, Usain Bolt. I was gonna say, not here. I'm bullshit, dude. I'm bullshit, duty. Come on, we got 1 hour. Gotta make it quick. He's asleep. Get up, son. Back shots. Starting off quick and easy. Need to play it strategic. Alright, here's one. I'm not worried about drops. I'm worried about go. I'm worried about stop. No stop. Just go. It'll be us right there. That's the wrong way. I don't know why it would be us right there. I hope he wasn't coming over here to fight that, because he's going to be pretty butthurt. He's going to be pretty mad if he was coming over here to fight that, because he's not going to get a chance to. No, I'm very sorry. I went over there and I smacked him up. There was a fast one. We'll do Bushy real quick. Oh, dude, we did that in 2 minutes. I did that in 2 minutes. You don't want to fight. I promise you. You get smoked quick. There's more people on the server, so, might cause havoc. Gotta put it down. Gotta put him down. Shoot him. You know what? He's so butt. Got that trigger finger on. Oh, coming from my cheeks. At level 28. How many can I beat? I play strategic. Not doing that much, but it's a fighter titan, alright? I'll just shock the shit out of it. Hurry up. Alright, I mean, you know what? That don't work. Use something else. Got hit for 400. You're selling the bag hard as hell. Not worried about drops. Get out. Not worried about them. Power leveler. We'll do Patilia. Patia. I don't fucking know. Oh, I don't have the flyer, so it's gonna take a second to get to. Might get attacked from the back. Might make it crack. Didn't make my character female on purpose. Just base character here. It's not my fault. Didn't make the game. Did not make the game. We're here. Knock knock. Here you go. Stop doing circles, bitch. I'm kicking your front door in. Dang, son. This is supposed to be your matchup here. Dang. Can you do something? I gotta feed myself. You're supposed to be the one about all the beef. Don't worry, I got you too, sweet pea. Oh, this bitch gonna kill me. That's good, dude. Highly effective, yeah. How the bitch still alive then? Ain't very that effective. Come on. Supposed to be quick and easy. She's fucking about to kill me and shit. Come on, cousin. She's literally made of leaves. Oh me, oh my. Can you do something? That does something. Boom, boom, boom. Light her on fire. Alright, I'm gonna pick up her drops so she right there. Not worried about drops. Get out, even though I picked them up. I'm gonna go do, I don't know. Alright, just let me out. I'm about to die. I'm panicking. Should I do the boss 10 minutes off my timer? No, we'll go do King Packer. Up 10 minutes off my timer. We'll do Quiver. I do wanna eat that then, cousins. Yeah, was he okay, dumbass? Dang. What do we got? 51 minutes. Yo, buddy. Yep. Kick that bitch. I'm throwing Grizzbolt. Got her stiff. He's really not hitting her for that much. He ain't hitting her for that much either. You know what? Jormantide giving her the strokes. Oh yeah. You know what that means, right? Blaze, I'll get really deeper strokes. Jormantide get really deep stroke of hell. Fire tornado. Alright, you know what? Throwing Griswold back. Bait her up. Yo, let me know. I don't know what I need to focus on. Who? What? This motherfucker is laying this mag down. Not worried about drops. Get out. Beat that one in another 2 minutes. Maybe you should go to more challenging ones. Oh yeah, let's go deeper dash. Let's go deeper dash. A little challenge. Oh yeah, buddy. Let's not do that. I will capture you straight up. Like, no, I won't. What's happening? You're dead, cousin. Try and jump me. It's not cool. Yo, I need to. Hold on, before we get in, everybody's hungry. Alright, everybody's putting in that beef. Alright, we got the matchup. Yep. Got the matchup. He's on fire. He's running after me. We're not even attacking him no more. Alright, I didn't know I had to get cheesy with him. Oh, we did. Okay. A little more challenges stuff. Completing in 3 minutes. And need some risk. Yo, come over here. Verdash, you're slow, cuz I'm out of there. Shock his ass. Come on. Right, we're gonna throw Jormantide in here. Just feel like he did a little bit better. Use a fire attack and we might get jiggy. There we go. Fire tornado. Yo, what is the deal, yo? Whoa, 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 never use that again. We can't let him. Jormantide, dude, you gotta do something. He's beating us up. He's missing. Blaze Hall, you gotta help me out, brother. Yeah, burn his ass. Why is he aggro on me all the time? Alright, I need to feed up some motherfuckers. Stop getting beat up. Alright. Let's see what Griswold can do against Overdash. Get hit for a K. Alright, yep, get pissed. Here, I'll bring him to. He's about to beat my ass. Yeah, I need you to handle my light work just for a second. Okay, you ain't doing shit. What's coming? Come on, Jorman. Burn his ass. Okay. Okay, combo up then. Yep. I'm the boogeyman. Hey, get mad at him. Stop coming for me. No. L challenge. L. L. What the hell? We'll come back. We'll come back. The last one. That'll be the last one. Enter the dungeon, yo. He said, huh? Alright, about 20 more of them. Get hit for 300. Yo. What the flizzy, yo? You don't scare me. You're getting beat up. I mean, this might take time off the challenge, but it might not. Yeah. Ooh, Andy had Swift 3. Locked it in, locked it in. Alright, fellas. Great shot. Don't tell me motherfuckers are bugging and killed it. There it is right there. I'm gonna need you to handle my light work, boss. I'll go back and get ready for the fast show. There we go. Now we go to the mortal enemy. That's where we're heading. He beat our ass. Now we're about to go beat his. About to go beat his. Verdash. He's getting verse smashed. Beat his head in. Let's get it. Let's get it. Got it good. Lock it in. Blaze Hall. Beat. Oh yeah. What you gonna do when that doesn't hit you? Spinning the block, cuz. Oh yeah. Weave. Get him. Get him. Hit him. Dude. He's ready. He's locked. He's hit him, dude. Can he not focus on me for 3 seconds? Probably gonna die while I do this. Got him in the wall or something? He just can't be hit. We'll get him. We'll get him. Come on. Hit him. Beat his eye. Hit him for about 2. What? 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 Yo. He's sitting still for you. If you miss, you're terrible. Literally stuck. And you're missing. I'm literally cheesing the system for you. Hey, yo. Can I get some more frequent attacks? It's been 5 seconds. Oh, now you're on fire. Now you're on fire. What are you gonna do? Now you're getting actually hit by the fire tornado. You're busting him out of eternal darkness. And now he's about to beat mine. What did I tell you? Beat mine. Just like that. Took away all that fucking health. I had to keep that whole amount of arrows. You gotta do 1,000 to his ass. I'm begging you. He's taunting me. Why is he taunting? You're gonna die, bud. I'm over here. Shit's getting set in motion for you to get fucking destroyed. Boom. He's so damn sorry. Don't start shooting shit at me. I don't go for that. I thought I was a big dog. Can you see, boss? Crack his dumb ass. Damn. Can you do something? Oh, come on. Oh, you're so trash. You could strip me butt naked just like that, dude. How'd that not get busted? Come on. Do something. Hit him up. Good thing there's no time. This shit is sorry. Oh. That's spelled the end. Please, bro. Please. Please kill this dude. Oh my god. Beam in his ass. Beam in his ass. That's. Come on. 100 more. 60 more. Please. Please do something. Please. What? What? He's at 5. Please. Hit him one fucking time. 8. I did 8. 8 in 30 minutes. At level 28. By myself. I don't think that's that bad. Let me know. Let me know. Leave a like. Leave a comment. We'll see.